Are you using Office 365 and PowerPoint? Well, we've got an interesting feature. That means you don't need to buy Cisco WebEx, GoToMeeting, Zoom, or use Microsoft Teams. You can present your PowerPoint presentation to anyone in the world with or without audio, that's your choice, with the steps coming up. So if you're going to find this useful, please firstly give us a thumbs up. If not, give us a thumbs down. Now to begin with, what you have to do is have your PowerPoint presentation ready. There will be an option, and we're going to do a series of screenshots with me paused out showing these steps, where you can present online. And when you try and present online, what it will do is it will create a link. You can share that link with whoever needs to see the presentation. And once they've got to that link, they will be able to see the slides as you move from one slide to another. And all they need is a web browser, whether that's Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, Opera, Firefox. It should work with all of them. We have tested most of them, but one of you might say it doesn't work in this one. So we've tested it in Edge, Chrome, and Opera, which is also based on Chromium. So if you're using Safari or Firefox, it should work, but you might have to just double check. And what it will do is it will run like a video. So this is why we say it should work in all the browsers. And you are on slide 1, presenting, as if you're presenting in the same room. You click to slide 2. The web page will automatically show slide 2. You do slide 3 and vice versa, and you get to the end. As soon as you stop presenting, all the attendees will see the slides. When you finish, it will show a screen that means that you have finished the presentation. Now, shortly, we will show a series of images with these steps and some text. So stay tuned for the next few minutes. But before we end, if you found this useful, give us a thumbs up. If you found it not useful, give us a thumbs down. And if you think somebody else could benefit, please share this video. And don't forget to subscribe below so that you can see more useful videos from us. Thanks for watching and have a great day.